Hello students, myself Arshika. I welcome you on Envira Online School. Today we will start our next chapter for class 5th. So name of our 6th chapter is the Dashara festival. So what is the name of this chapter? Dashara festival. So our India, our country is known as the country of festivals. We celebrate many festivals in a year. So different religions lived in country. So we celebrate many festivals and we enjoy every festival. We buy new clothes, we eat sweets and many more things we are doing on festivals. So here in this chapter we learn about the festival, the Hindu festival Dashara. So why we celebrate Dashara? So in this chapter we learn about it. Before we start this chapter, here we have some question. So let's read the question and then answer orally. Question number first is, which festival do you celebrate? So we celebrate many festivals. We celebrate Holi, Diwali, Eid, Raksha Bandhan, Christmas and many other festivals. Holi, Diwali, Eid. We also celebrate our Republic Day, Independence Day. These are also called a festival for us, for our country. Which festival is celebrated as victory of good over evil? So, which festival? Every festival has a meaning. So, here point asks that which festival is celebrated as victory of good over evil? So, we celebrate Dashara as a festival showing the victory of good over evil. Next question, on which festival do we burn effigies or putlas? On which festival we burn effigies or putlas? We burn effigies or putlas on Dashara. So, in this chapter, we learn about Dashara. So, let us read why we celebrate Dashara. What is the story behind Dashara? Let's start. In India, many festivals are celebrated with great zeal. So, we celebrate many festivals with energy and we enjoy every festival. Dashara is one of them. Dashara is also a festival. It is also called Vijayadashmi. The second name of Dashara is Vijayadashmi. According to Hindu calendar, Dashara occurs. Dashara celebrated on the 10th day of Ashwin month. Ashwin month is a Hindu month. So, Dashara occurs on the 10th day of Ashwin month, Shukla Paksh. On this day, Lord Ram got victory. So, on this day means on 10th day of Ashwin month, Lord Ram, got victory. Victory means success in a battle. So, Lord Ram got victory over Ravan. Who is Ravan? The king of Lanka. Ravan is the king of Lanka. So, why is the battle comes? He kidnapped. Who kidnapped? Ravan. So, he kidnapped Ram's wife Sita. So, Ravan kidnapped Ram's wife Sita and took her to Lanka, the place of Ravan. This lead to fierce battle between Ram and Ravan. This is the main reason behind the battle. So, what is the reason behind the battle? Ravan kidnapped Ram's wife. So, this is the main reason of battle between Ram and Ravan, which ended with the defeat of Ravan. Ravan is failure in battle. So, a battle occurs in between Ram and Ravan. Ram got victory and Ravan got defeat and his army. Dashera is celebrated in honor of Ram's victory. So, we celebrate Dashera in honor of Ram's victory. So, this is the answer of this question, that why we celebrate Dashera? We celebrate Dashera in honor of Ram's victory. In many parts of India, Ram Leela is organized. In many parts of India, different state, different district, Ram Leela is organized during Navratris. 9 days we celebrate Navratri, and then 10th day we celebrate Dashera. So, during Navratri, Ram Leela was organized from Ashwin Shukla Pratipada to Dashmi. Ram Leela tells us the story of Ram. Ram Leela, what is Ram Leela? Ram Leela tells the story of Ram in the form of drama. Every day, many scenes of Ram's life, such as Narad Moh, Ramjan, Ram Vivaha, Ram Vanvas, Tadka Vad, Panchvati scene, Sita Haran, Hanuman Milan, burning of Lanka, Setu Nirman, and Ram Ravan Yudh. These are some scenes of Ram's life which are played in Ram Leela and cut on the stage. Hanuman's get-up attract everyone, especially children. So, Hanuman's character was attract everyone because Hanuman is a very funny character in Ram Leela. On the 10th day, large effigies of Ravan, the model of Ravan, and his son Meghnad and his brother Kumbhakaran are attracted on a big ground. So, on the 10th day, 9th day of Navratri, all are enjoying Ram Leela, and on 10th day, very big effigies of Ravan, Meghnad and Kumbhakaran are stand on a big ground. These effigies are stuffed with firecrackers. So, these effigies filled with firecrackers. In the evening, people begin to assemble to see Ravan Dahan and firework. Fairs are organized at various places. So, fairs are organized many places on this occasion. Children enjoy themselves in many ways. They play the role of various characters like Ram, Hanuman and Rakshas using handmade paper arms and masks. Then at sunset, Ram and Lakshman come in a chariot. Ram and Lakshman come in a chariot, a decorated horse. Chariot means a decorated horse or cart with Vanar Sena. Ram shoots arrow at the effigy. So, Ram shoots the arrow at the effigies of Ravan. The effigies catch fire and burn to ash. Fireworks and crackers explode in the air. People in some areas of Rajasthan go to greet one another. Dashara is a symbol of victory of good over evil, because character of Ram is good and character of Ravan is evil. So this is the symbol of good over evil. Victory of good over evil. So our chapter is completed. What we learn in this chapter? We learn about Dashara, the festival. Dashara festival. Why we celebrate Dashara? Dashara celebrate in the honor of Ram's victory. Ram victory over Ravan. So why is battle began? Because Ravan kidnapped the Ram's wife. Name of Ram's wife is Sita. So that's we learn in this chapter. Now let's start activity. Activity first. Which festival is also called Vijayadashmi? So which festival is also called Vijayadashmi? A. Deepavali. B. Holi. C. Dashara. D. Rakhi. So which festival is also called Vijayadashmi? Yes, Dashara is also called Vijayadashmi. So our correct option is C. Second, Dashara is the festival of. Dashara is the festival of. Option A, victory of good. Option B, victory of evil. Option C, victory of immoral. Option D, victory of Rakshas. So, Dashara is a festival of victory of good. So, our correct option is option A. Question B. Write yes in bracket if you agree or no if you don't agree with the following statement. So, here we have some statement. If we are agree with this statement, we write yes. And if we are not agree with this statement, we say no. So, let's start. First, Dashara comes in Krishna Paksh. Dashara comes in Krishna Paksh. Yes or no? No. Dashara comes in Shukla Paksh. So, write no. Second, Ram Leela describes the story of Ram. Yes or no? Yes. Ram Leela describes the story of Ram. So, write yes. Third, Dashara is celebrated on Ashwin Shukla Dashmi. Ashwin Shukla Dashmi. Yes or no? Yes. Dashara is celebrated on Ashwin Shukla Dashmi. Fourth, we should follow good and give up evil. We should follow good and give up evil. Yes or no? Yes, we should follow good. Fifth, Hanuman's get-up attracts children. Hanuman's get-up attract children. Yes or no? Yes, Hanuman get-up attracts. Now, see, answer the following questions. So, in this, we have some question and write the answer of these questions. Let's start with question number first. Question number first. Why do we celebrate Dashara? Why do we celebrate Dashara? So, we celebrate Dashara in honor of Ram's victory. So, why we celebrate Dashara? We celebrate Dashara in honor of Ram's victory. Question number second. What is Ram Leela? Which scenes are entucked on the stage? So, answer is Ram Leela describe the story of Ram in form of the drama. Every day, many scenes of Ram's life, such as नारद मोह, राम जन्म, राम विवाह, राम वनवास, ताड़का व्रत, पंचवटी सीन, सीता हरण, हनुमान मिलन, बर्निंग ऑफ लंका, सेतु निर्माण and Ram Ravan Yudh are entered on the stage. Now, question number 3. How do children enjoy on Dashhara? Children enjoy on Dashhara by playing the various roles like Ram, Hanuman and Rakshas. Question number 4. What was Ravan's fault? Ravan's fault was that he had kidnapped Ram's wife and taken her to Lanka. So, these are question and answer. Now, activity second. Question A. Choose the correct word from the box and fill in the blanks. So here we have some words in box and then fill the blanks. So first let's read the words. First word is victory. Second, perform, masks, arrow, crackers. Let's start. First, we explored blank on Deepavali. What we explored on Deepavali? We explored crackers. So, in blank, crackers. We explored crackers on Deepavali. Next, actors come on the stage and blank their act. So, actors perform their act. So, actors come on the stage and perform their act. Third, children like to wear blank of their favorite character. So, what children like to wear? Children like to wear mask on their favorite character. India got blank over Pakistan in the Kargil war. So, India got victory over Pakistan in the Kargil war. Fifth, Arjun aimed his blank at the bird's eye. So, what Arjun aimed? Arjun aimed his arrow at the bird's eye. So, activity second is completed. Now, activity third. Look at these pictures and observe the position. So, what is the position? Something or someone is kept where? The answer of where is called position. So, look at these pictures and observe the position of the mouse and the owl. In one side, we see a box and mouse. Let us observe the position, and the other side, we find box and owl. So, let us observe the position. In first picture, the mouse is under the box. The mouse is under the box. Next, the mouse is over the box. Next, the mouse in the box. Next, mouse on the box. Next, the mouse in front of the box. Next, the mouse is behind the box. Next, the mouse is next to the box. Now, In the second image, the owl is on the block. Next, the owl is under the block. Next, the owl is next to the block. Next, the owl in front of the block. Next, the owl is behind the block. Next, the owl is in between the blocks. Next, the owl is around the block. Next, the owl is through the block. These underlined words are called prepositions. They are used before a noun or a pronoun to show place, position, time method and other types of relation between two noun or pronoun. So here in first image, two nouns, mouse and box. The preposition relate a mouse and box. In second image, the preposition relate to owl and block. So the preposition is relationship between two nouns and pronouns. Now look at the image below and fill suitable preposition in the given boxes. Now look at the image below and fill suitable preposition in the given boxes. Now here we have an image, a ball and a box. Now let us find the position of ball and then fill it. So in first image, the box is in the box. The ball is in the box. So the preposition we use here is in. Next, the ball is on the box. So here we use preposition on. Next, the ball is under the box. So here we use preposition under. Next, the ball is beside to the box. So here we use preposition beside. Here we use also next to. Next, the ball is behind the box. Here we use preposition behind. The ball is in front of the box. So here we use preposition in front of. Next, the ball is between the boxes. So here we use the preposition between. Now write a sentence for each image. First one has been done for you. So here what we read. So here we have to write the ball is in the box. The ball is on the box. The ball is under the box. The ball is beside the box. The ball is behind the box. The ball is in front of the box. The ball is in between the boxes. So here we learn about prepositions. With this, this chapter is completed. So what we learn in this chapter? We learn about festival. Which festival? Dussehra. Why we celebrate Dussehra? We celebrate Dussehra in honor of Ram's victory. Ram's victory over Ravan. So, why the battle began? Battle because Ravan kidnapped Ram's wife. What is the name of Ram's wife? Name of Ram's wife is Sita. And who is the son of Ravan? What is the name of son of Ravan? Yes, Meghnad. And brother of Ravan? Kumbhakaran. So here our chapter is completed. Now fill your worksheet with help of this. Thank you.